In this video, I will show you how to use the Google Street View external mapping tool. The Google Street View tool works by opening a new window in your browser that is synchronized with your location on the map viewer. To do that, you want to find your location first that you're interested in. So I'm going to use the Find an Address tool, and I want to see the intersection of 3rd and Lomas. So I'll just type in 3rd and Lomas, click Find. The map automatically zooms to that location, and I'm going to close this results window. So to get a better look at that intersection, just go up here to Maps and Data Sources and click the Google Street View tool. A new window is automatically opened with the location set to your map location, which right now is the intersection of 3rd and Lomas. To see the synchronization between the two, you can dock Google Street View in the map window by clicking this button, and that automatically brings you back to the map. You can see this blue cone is indicating the direction that Google Street View is facing. So right now it is pointing to the south because we are looking south in Google Street View. If you move around by clicking within Google Street View, you can see that the blue dot automatically updates. Likewise, you can drag the blue dot to a new location, and Google Street View will dynamically update as well. If you want to look at a different address, you can do another address search. So let's go over to 600 2nd Street Northwest. You can see now that the map window has updated the location, but Google Street View is still over at the intersection of 3rd and Lomas. To resynchronize the two, just click this button in the upper right corner of the Google Street View, and you will zoom to the location on the map where the blue marker is. So now we're looking north at Plaza del Sol. When you are finished using Google Street View, you can just close it down by clicking this X or this X.